Guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome to my channel. I'm super excited because today we have my Boxycharm unboxing. So this is just the base box, and I have switched my membership to just get the base box. I found that the products were very similar in the base and the premium, so I kind of just changed my mind and just decided to go with the base box. Since I am in Canada, it is pretty expensive to get both the base and the premium because of the exchange, so I just decided to keep this subscription for you guys. And yeah, so you never know, I might go back to it in the future and give the premium another try, but for now I just kind of wanted to keep the base box, so hopefully you guys aren't too disappointed. So the theme this month, they just put plastic in here for all the products. They didn't put their foam, but that's okay. And the theme this month is sweet treats. So there's the card right there. So first up, ooh, we have a Natasha Denona eyeshadow palette, the Ayana palette. So I think this is just a Boxycharm exclusive. Yeah, it is a Boxycharm exclusive, but I don't think that the formula will change any because Natasha Denona generally has really amazing formulation. So those are the shades right there. Super excited. Let me do some swatches for you. Super creamy, and like I have a lot of Natasha Denona palettes already, and yeah, this is the same kind of formulation like I'm used to. There's some swatches for you guys. See how pigmented they are? Super pigmented. So this is gonna be fun to get some use out of. I'm gonna be excited to test that out. I love Natasha Denona's formulation, so extremely excited for this. And this is worth $48. So I will put the total of the box on the screen at the end of the video. You'll see like a little pop-up. So yeah, so that was $48. Next we have a Manakadar Beauty. This is a Pluck It 2-piece tweezer set. So this is worth $18. So you get 2 tweezers. You get like a more pointed edge one and a flatter one. I'll show you. Super cute. I love getting beauty tools in subscription boxes. Sorry, my hands are still a bit dirty from the swatches, but that is the tweezers, and let's see what it has to say. So this retails for $18. So Pluck It 2-piece tweezer set. It's time to say pluck it to bad brows. This tweezer set contains 1 slanted tweezer for precise plucking and 1 pointed tweezer to isolate a single hair in a large area. A long handle that provides more controlled tweeze. Cool. The next up I see we have, oh, this I love already. This I already have, but I'll keep this as a backup because I love this primer so much. This is the Touch in Sol Pretty Filter Icy Sherbet Primer. Lock your looks in place and keep them cool with the Icy Sherbet Primer. This gel primer has an instant cooling effect once applied that hydrates and preps skin for makeup. The formula is silicone free with water capturing technology to lock in moisture and leave your skin feeling silky smooth. This retails for $32. And I love this primer. I already know that I love this primer. So this is the packaging right here. I actually have mine right here, and I wonder if it's the same size. This seems a lot bigger. Oh, no. Look at the size difference. Wow. So I guess I have a mini or like a travel size, and this is like the full size. That's pretty cool. I love my mini anyways. And I just want to make sure that this is the same kind of scent and everything. Yeah, the same kind of scent. Oh, it smells so good. If there was a perfume in this scent, I would definitely buy it because I love it. It smells so pretty. So that is that. So I'm excited to have a backup of that. And then next up we have the vitamin C mask. Oh, the Touch and Soul retailed for $32. I don't know if I mentioned that. There's always one that I forget. So the Georgette Klinger vitamin C mask. So revitalize, brighten, and even your complexion in minutes with a powerful infusion of vitamin C to protect skin and prevent free radical damage while boosting collagen protection. This clay-based mask draws out impurities, allowing argan and avocado oils to nourish and revitalize your skin. Nice. So again, that's $36. And there is the inner packaging. It's got a pump. Pretty cool. So I'll have to test that out and let you guys know how that works. And then last but not least, we have the Petite and Pretty Fully Feathered Volumizing Mascara. I knew we would get a mascara in this box. So I'm not going to open this one because I have so many that are open right now because we keep getting them. So a volumizing mascara that adds instant thickness and definition. The quick dry formula locks and curl, while the custom petite sized hourglass applicator is designed to lay it on thick and separate lash by lash for a full feathered fringe. $16. Okay, I have to open it to see what it looks like. I have to. Ew. That is very, very clumpy. Let me just get some of the product off of it to properly see the wand. I don't know. Oof, it smells strong. That is the wand right there. This kind of intimidates me, to be honest. It's a very, very clumpy. We'll see about that one. I'm not sure. Anyways, we got a mascara, and this retails for $16. Pretty cool. So I'll leave the total down below here so that you guys can see what the value is. But that is everything in the Boxycharm box. Wow, these videos are going to go by so much quicker now that I don't have the premium box. Don't hate me. Yeah, that's everything that I got. I guess that's it. I'm excited for everything, honestly. I think that this is a really good box, and I'm really excited to test everything out, especially the Natasha Denona palette. It is phenomenal. So let me know if you'd like it testing out new makeup with any of these products, guys. All right, so that is everything for today's video. So I hope that you enjoyed. If you do like Boxycharm unboxings, definitely give this video a thumbs up down below. And if you're not subscribed, I hope that you will stick around and subscribe if you like my video content. Any type of video ideas that you guys have or anything that you want to see, definitely leave me comments down below, because I definitely will do videos that you guys want to see. Give this video a thumbs up and hit the notification bell if you'd like to be notified when I upload next. Bye guys!